Hi guys, I've realized that a lot of people know Zoom, but people don't exactly know Google Meet so much as Zoom and what Google Meet does. Now, you might call me partial, although I'm a canvasser for Google because I use Google products a lot, and this is free of charge. I'm not making any ad on this, but Google products are very simple to use for me. So I like making videos about using the Google products. And one of the reasons and features I like using Google Meet again is because you can integrate it with a lot of other tools like Google Calendar, Google Drive, your Google Sheet, Google Docs, Google Forms. You can integrate it and you can automate some things. You understand? So it makes it easier. It makes it simpler for me to have my meetings with my team members and other people I just want to have meetings with. Now, I've made a simple video that shows you how to create Google Meet. Google Meet is just like Zoom, right? And you can use it to host meetings, host webinars, host classes, host live classes, host trainings online, right? And it has the feature of having a smooth experience. In fact, you can even blur your background. Just like you can go on Zoom, so you can blur your background if you don't want to. And it uses relatively less data than Zoom. Now, if you want to learn how to use Google Meet, I've made a simple video which you should watch now. Let's go. Alright, so I'm showing you right now how to use Google Meet, how to create a Google Meeting link. So if you want to have meetings with your team members and you want to have it online and you're looking for the best way to do that, would just use Google Meet. So let's get right into it now. I'm able to create Google Meet from my Google Calendar, but before I go to my calendar, all you just need to do is to go to your Gmail or mailbox, whichever one, and navigate, click the menu here to navigate to calendar. You're going to have this here. So once you have this, you can decide to switch in between weekday, month. I always like week, because it lets you see the entire week. And if you want to switch to month, you can also switch to month here, right? But sometimes it just looks too crowded for me, so I prefer week. So if you click on week, so you choose the day you want to create the meeting for. So let's say now I want to create a meeting for cybersecurity students, right? I could just create it from here and add a Google Meet link. But if you want more customization from your video or from the setup, right? Just click on more options. So once you click on more options, you can add your title. So let's say my title is so let's say this is my title, and just click this to select your time, the time for the meeting, right? So I will select 3 p.m. Let me cross-check that I'm recording this. Okay, I think I'm good. Now, time, right? And then you want to pick the time you want to end the meeting. So this is, say, 6 p.m., a 3-hour meeting, 3-hour class, right? So, and you want to customize, is it weekly you want to have it? Is it monthly? Is it annually on every December 9? But I want mine to be on Saturdays and Sundays, 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. So I could just click on this and click on, this is Saturday, this is Sunday, right? So I want it to repeat every week. So that's why I have one here. So if I want it to repeat every 2 weeks, I could just put 2 here, right? And how long do I want this to happen for? I want it to happen for 3 months. So that's about 12 weeks, right? So 12 weeks of 2 days each, right? 12 weeks of Saturdays and Sundays. So I'm going to click on this. I'll click 12 times 2 is what? 24. 24. I click on done. Right? So now you need to add a meeting link. So you can click this to add the meeting link. Now, once you add the meeting link, this link is what everyone who is added to this meeting would be joining with. Now, from there, you can choose to set reminders, right? For myself, I like to set like 3 reminders. The first one can happen as a notification, say maybe 1 hour, or say 2 hours to the meeting. 2 hours to the meeting. The second one can be, say, 45 minutes to the meeting, and the third one can be, say, 10 minutes to the meeting. So I could decide to just make this one an email instead of a notification. 10 minutes to the meeting, right? Now, you could add notes here also. If you want to add some notes for your participants to join in, you could add something like, please join with this link, or whatever you want your participants to see as a note, you could add it there. Now, I'm going to also add the email addresses of people I want to attend this meeting. Now, I've had them copied on my clipboard, so I just paste them here. Now, once you paste the email addresses, you have the email addresses of everyone who you want to attend this meeting. Now, I chose not to click any of this or tick any of this because I don't want any of them to be able to modify this event, and I don't want any of them to be able to invite others to this event, and I don't want any of them to see the list of guests. You could decide to allow them to see the list of guests, but I don't want it, right? So I untick it. So once you do that, you save first. Now it's going to ask you, do you want an invitation email to be sent to your guests? I want the invitation to be sent. So you click on send. Now it's going to ask you again if you want to invite all the guests here. Yes, I want to invite all the guests here. I get to click on this, and voila, you can see the event has been saved. Now this is the event here, right? Cybersecurity class link, and these are the reminders. This is the class. Now I want to do one more thing. I want to give permission to someone who is like a facilitator to be able to record the meeting or do several things in the meeting, like approve requests and things like that. So you also do that in your videos. Now, I mean, in your setup, right? So, but you have to save the emails first before you can do that. Now, because okay, I think I didn't add the email of the person here, so let me do that now. So this is the email of the person I want to use. Right. Let me save it again first. Now, this is this has been saved. Now, let me do what I want to do. I want to add admin access for this person. Where is this person? This person here. I want to give the person admin access so that the person can accept people to the meeting and facilitate the meeting, put people in meeting rooms, breakout rooms and things like that. Now, where you go to is what I've done, right? Just click on settings here. This button here. So once you click on it, you would see the options. Now Why is it not loading? Okay, now host management, just tick this. So once you tick this, you can choose to make everyone share their screen or not. For that meeting, people might need to share their screen if they need to show something. So let everyone share their screen. You want people to send chat messages? Yes. If you want them to send reaction, yes. You decide that. Now, if you want it such that people do not need to make requests before they join the meeting, you can tick this. If you want it such that people can join the meeting, right, whether they are from your organization, or you don't want the system to ask them if they are from your organization or not, but also tick this. Get. Now, this one here is, if you click it, people would always need to ask before they are allowed into the meeting. But I think I want to just I want to make it restricted. Do you get? Or at the same time, I could just make it open. Yeah, whichever one you want. Now, once you do that, you come here and then you make that person an admin. So you add the person as a co-host. Do you get? You add the person as a what? As a co-host. Now, this is the person I wanted to add as a co-host. If you do not first of all save the person's email as being part of this meeting, it wouldn't come up here. Now, once you click that, next thing you want to do is just click on save. That's all. So once you click on save, you can just click save here. Just click on save here. So once you click on save, you have created the meeting link. Now you could now when you've created this, everyone who has whose email has been added would get the reminder, would get the notification to accept this event. So once they accept this event, they'll be able to join the meeting anytime you have set, or anytime, right? So I hope you found this as straightforward as possible. This is the best way to set Google meeting with people, right? And to give access to those who you want to be in the meeting. All right. Share this video with someone you like. And if you believe that you need more of this content, if you know that you want more of content like this, please ensure you subscribe to my channel and follow my channel as I drop more video content to help you live a stress-free work life, right? So bye for now.